Japanese pronunciation is much easier than you think, and today, you will learn the foundation that makes everything else simple. Welcome to Byte Nihongo. This is the first video in our Japanese pronunciation playlist. Before we learn hiragana, katakana, and all the special sounds, let's understand how Japanese pronunciation really works. Japanese uses a phonetic writing system called kana. There are two types of kana, hiragana and katakana. They represent the same sounds. They are just used for different purposes. Hiragana is used for native Japanese words and grammar. Katakana is used for foreign words, names, loanwords, sound effects, and emphasis. All Japanese sounds are built from 5 pure vowels.
A, I, U, E, O.
Unlike English, Japanese vowels never change or glide. They are short, clean, and consistent.
Examples. Asa, ie, umi, eki, oto.
Every basic sound in Japanese is a combination of a consonant and a vowel, except for the sound
n.
So you get sounds like
Ka, hi, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
and many more. The best part is, Japanese pronunciation is extremely consistent. If you learn a sound once, it stays the same. There are no silent letters or confusing exceptions like English has. In the upcoming videos, we will go deeper into hiragana pronunciation, katakana pronunciation, combined sounds like
Kya, shu, cho.
double consonants using the small tsu, long vowels, and more. If you are ready to pronounce Japanese naturally, continue to the next video about Japanese vowels. Let's master Japanese pronunciation together.